This is the serial number 80217 Triumph. According to the Typewriter database, it was manufactured 1931. You can see another serial number here. Let's see, maybe a bit more. Inside there is another serial number. See? This is a margin setup, both sides, and then there's a paper support. It's okay. And then this is a plastic material, this part. And then this is for the draw band, like this. Very beautiful, right? And then this is if you cover with the case, it can go like down. So that's why the cover inside there is a reinforced metal here. So this part can go down, this one like this. That's a very unique design. And then also another thing, special things, this, see, this type bar connect the linkage stuff, little bit unique style. See the design, like this. It's like fixed. It's like a move like this. See, so it's very unique. Touch feel a little bit hard, but it's very like how can I say? Looks like I punch like into the clay, very soft clay. Yeah, that kind of feeling. This one, yeah, very nice feeling. Yeah, and then another thing is this key layout is an Italian key layout. The seller told me it belonged to her father. Her father came from Italy with this typewriter. So yeah, it's a history. But I guess her father was led in the heaven. So yeah. So I didn't realize this one on the picture when the seller put on the Facebook marketplace. So when I arrived there, look at this. Oh, it's not English layout. So and then she gave me a more discount because she didn't mention about this key and layout. So I happily accepted that offer. So that's why I got this one. This is really nice one. See, yeah. I concerning is this flat-parted paper bale. Except that everything perfect, very nice shape, mechanically very good. Also, I got a very nice Italian key layout typewriter. Let's look at the sample typing. Thank you for watching.